Right-click on the Windows icon in the taskbar, select Device Manager, and devices with corrupted drivers should show up automatically. These have a warning sign next to the device icon. Now, right-click on the device, select Uninstall Device, and click on Uninstall. Next, click on the Action menu and select Scan for hardware changes. Alternatively, you can restart the PC. In most cases, Windows will install a fresh working copy of the driver files, although it didn't work for us, so we will head to the next method. Right-click on the device with a corrupt driver and select Update Driver. Now click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for Windows to install the best locally available version. Right-click the device, select Update Driver, click on Browse My Computer for drivers, and select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now, pick another driver from the list and click on Next. On your desktop, open the search menu, type Create a Restore Point, and open the utility. Now, click on System Restore. If you find two options here, choose Recommended Restore. The other one lets you manually pick a restore point, while with Recommended Restore, you go with what Windows thinks is best. Verify the restore details, that is, the time and description, and click on Finish. Click Yes and wait for the restore to complete. It typically takes 30 to 45 minutes. After the system restore, we opened the device manager, and the corrupted driver was fixed. You won't find the warning sign anymore. Even under Properties, the device status reads, "This device is working properly." Although this is what worked for us, reinstalling the driver remains the most effective solution. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.